What's good, you guys? It's your boy CUSTOMSWJROY out here with another custom. This is in fact my second custom ever in my life, so yeah. But anyways, welcome. This is my second episode. We're gonna be doing a custom today. How exciting, man. And I'm gonna be wearing this personally, but you won't know what it is until you finish the video. It could be anything basically, but you better watch it to the end. Alright, let's go ahead and get this going. Alright, so first thing you want to do is remove the shoelaces, and then we're going to go ahead and prep the leather here. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. Alright, you guys, so I got the shoes prepped up and it's ready for paint. I'll be using the magic potion, as you can see right here. This stuff is fire. What I'm doing right now is taping off the areas I do not want to paint. I got all the areas taped up where I want to paint and it's ready to go, so let's start painting. Alright, you guys, so basically that concludes the video. Thank you for watching. Here's a recap of what I've done today. Yin yangs to shadows. The most difficult part of this custom was getting the wing on point. Make sure you drop a comment down below if you have any suggestions, tips, or anything that will help me grow as an individual. Once again, if you have time, like that button, put a thumbs up, whatever you want to do with that, and hope to see you guys soon for the next video. My name is Jeff.